Lovelies, this is why you should master faceless videos and you can earn up to 5,000 US dollars irrespective of where you're seated and what you do. Yes, did you know that faceless YouTube channels are among the fastest growing content type today? In fact, some of the highest earning creators make over US dollars 10,000 a month without ever showing their faces. Today, we are diving into 5 incredible advantages of faceless videos and why mastering them can help easily earn up to $5,000 per month. Yes, I thought about it. Would you, if you're sick right now, if you're not feeling okay, you can't go in a camera, does it mean that you should leave to develop your channel? No, it doesn't. No. So me being in bed, feeling so weak that I couldn't go to studio and face the camera, there comes this opportunity for you to know that even when you're sick, even when you're in a place that is not conducive, you should never give an excuse why you did not post anything. So meanwhile, before I start the 5 tremendous reasons why you should use and master faceless videos apart from earning, you guys, I would love to say thank you very much. I welcome everybody on the Immaculate Show. For royal viewers, I love you so much. And for you who is a new subscriber, please get a seat and sit here. Know that Immaculate Show hates poverty. And for you having a smartphone in your hands, that's the riches, the wealth they are handling. So go ahead and do it. The first reason, you guys, is anonymity and privacy. When I'm talking about anonymity and privacy, it means someone might not know who you are. Yes, I repeat, someone will never know who you are. First, the faceless videos protect your privacy. You don't have to worry about putting your face out there or sharing personal details. Whether you're a camera shy person or you just prefer to stay behind the scenes, this is perfect solution for you. So the best tip here, I tell you, you can go ahead and use the AI tools to make faceless videos, or you can do the same thing I'm doing right now. As I'm recording, I'm going to put a layer on top which is not me as a person. Any layer can go with it. Now you guys, why should you do this? Why should we talk about anonymity and privacy? When I started the channel rather, it had a lot of things and a lot of misconception. If I'd known something like this, especially among the people that I lived with, the church mates, a lot of accusations were around it. Even people will easily look for a mistake, how you've not put on your wig very well like that. But when I came to learn of it, I said this is the best. If you're there, you can go ahead and make sure you do faceless videos and you end up earning even 5,000 US dollars per month. That was the first. The second, it's endless niches to explore. You know, when you're looking in a camera, you need to really, you feel like you're tied to one niche. But here I am to tell you that faceless videos work for virtually any niche, from education tutorials and animation of listicles and motivational content. The possibilities are endless. You can focus on what you're passionate about without worrying about being on the screen. You guys, as I record this video, I'm damn sick. If you hear I'm damn sick, but do you think it should stop the things to move? If I can wake up and go to the washroom, or you clean your house, or you put on the TV, it means you're in a position to do a faceless video. The third one is easier and faster production. You people, creating faceless videos is often faster and simple. You can use stock footage, voiceovers, or even AI tools to produce high quality content in less than even 10 minutes. This allows you to upload consistently and grow your channel quicker. You guys, a normal video, if you're to look into the camera, you will need almost 20 to 30 minutes for shooting one video of 8 minutes, 10 minutes. But with the faceless, you can easily make 3 videos in those 30 minutes. Yes, you've heard me right. So let's go, guys, to the fourth one. The fourth one is reach a wide audience. Faceless videos really they appeal to a broad audience completely, since they focus on universal themes and content. They attract viewers from all over the world. This is a big advantage when you want to grow your channel and earn more. Yeah, you guys, what I mean, when it is there is no your face, some of the things you can put on top, like photos, animated videos and other things, most people get attracted, but when your face is appearing, some other people become biased and they don't click there. The fifth and the last, you guys, I remember I told you I have 5 burning reasons why you should master faceless videos apart from earning $5,000 and above. Yes, the fifth one is high earning potential. The earnings potentials is very high. With faceless videos, you can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship. Channels that upload consistently and target trending niches and easily earn up to $5,000 per month or more. You know what I always tell people? While we are on this social media platform, we are there to make money apart from making a brand, socializing and doing other things, putting our voices out there. Yeah, kudos to the social media platform. It gave me a very good platform. But when you reach on earning here, we all need to earn. So with the faceless videos, you can go extra mile and earn CPM, which is very high. You earn money from affiliate marketing. You earn from different things. So be here. Let's earn $5,000 and above, and we'll be starting on it. I'll be coming back to you to see how much did we earn from this video that is faceless right now. And you guys, why should we really master faceless videos? Yes, you should master faceless videos because they are simple, they are scalable, they are beginner friendly, and other massive earnings potentials without the pressure of being on camera. By focusing on content quality and consistency, you can build a channel that works for you 24/7. As I really make a voiceover for this video, you can't believe I'm in my bed. I couldn't stand up to go to the studio, put the mic and other things because I'm totally damn not feeling okay. But this is what we can earn right now, and this is why you should do, because it will be scalable 24/7. Faceless videos are for the future, you guys. I think you know that. Since the introduction of AI, really the future of content creation has changed. Do you want to get started right now? Yes, it's not a must that you come and see yourself in a camera. I know how hard it is, especially if you're a beginner. Your $5,000 a month journey could be today. What's stopping you? Let's know in the comment section. Now, last but not least, I would want to ask you, do you believe that you can earn $5,000? You can make this money with faceless videos? Yes, I do believe. And I don't know you. You might have been your foundation, maybe you're realizing the CPM, which is very low. But you can do it. Imagine you're doing 2 faceless videos on a daily basis, and each 2 of these ones you can earn around $30, $40 per day. Count for me, calculate for me in your there. You just get your calculator and see. It is very easy to get this $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 US dollars. So are you there, you guys? Let's go and dive in and make money. No excuse, my home is not looking good, I don't have makeup, I'm sick, my background is not good. No, go for this. You guys, I love you so much. What you do, go to the comment section, put in your mind. Your engagement matters a lot to me, and see you in another video. Bye bye.